Good morning. Once again, welcome to our subject Mathematics, Standard 7, Chapter number 5, Lines and Angles. In this lesson, we can discuss exercise number 5.1 and 5.2. Before starting our today's sessions, let's do little exercise. Yes, very good. So here is your question number 1 of exercise 5.1. Find the complement of each of the following angles. 1, 2, 3 are given. First is 20 degree, 63 degree and 57 degree. Question number 2 is here. Find the supplement of each of the following: 105 degree, 87 degree and 150 degree, 54 degrees. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and supplementary. Fourth question, find the angle which is equal to its complement. Fifth one, find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Students, in this all 5 questions, we had 2 words, complement and supplement. We are knowing very well, complement means a 90 degree sum of angles and sum of angles is 180, that is called the supplement. That much you are knowing in our introduction sessions. Let's solve the answers of the question number 1 and 5. 1 to 5. See the answer number 1 here. Complement angle of any given measurement is equal to 90 minus given measurement. So first one is 20 is given, complement of 20 is equal to 90 minus 20, which gives me a 70 degree. Second one 63, so 90 minus 63 is given me 27 degree. Third one 57, that's 90 minus 57 degree, that is called me a 33 degree. Don't forget to put the degree sign, students. Here degree sign is like this way, 33 degree is like this way. Okay, correct. Now look at the supplement. For supplement also, supplementary angle is equal to 180 degree minus given angle. So 105 degree. So 180 minus 105, which gives me a 75. Do you know how to do this one? Don't know. Okay, let's do 180 degree minus 105 degree. Still now some student has the problem to solve this one. 0 minus 5 is not possible. We can carry out. Yes, I can change the color of pen, so you can get the idea. I can cut it here. There is a 7 and here is a 10. Yes, very good student. 10 plus 0, 10 minus 5, which gives me a 5. Yes, 7 minus 0, that is a 7 and there is a 0. 1 minus 1, 0. And here is the degree sign. So first answer is 75 degree, which is given here. Isn't it? Easy? Okay. Now look at here, 180 minus 87 degree, which gives me a 93 degree. Second one, last one, 154 degree. That means a 180 minus 154 degree, which gives me a 26 degree. Correct? Very nice, very fast. Now look at the third question. Sum of the angles, which is a 180, that's a supplementary angles, 90 degree, that's called the complementary angles. Here pair of angles are given. We can check out addition of the both number. They are the supplement, they are the complement, they are the supplement, complement and complementary angle. You can say the complement or complementary angles. Correct. So pair are here. Question number 4 also solved. Now we are going to question number 4. There are 2 angles, sum is 90 degree, complementary means 90 degree. So suppose the angles is equal to x. So 2 angle means x plus x, 2x. 2x is equal to 90 degree. X is here. We will be going for the division. 90 divided by 2, that gives me a 45 degree. Same way for the question number 5, supplementary angle. Student, supplementary angle, x plus x is equal to 180 degree. Correct. So 2x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree divided by 2, which gives me a 90 degree. Yes, very good. Now look at the question number 6. Angle 1 is decreased, then angle 2 is increased with the same measure, so that both the angles remain the supplementary only. Suppose there is a 2 angles are there for supplementary. One angle is like this. Suppose this is a 45 degree, or you can say 50 degree. Okay, and remaining is 130 degree. Now I am changing the angles. One is decreasing. Suppose I am making is 30, or we can say it's a 20 degree. Decreasing. What about the other angle? Automatically other angle will become a 160 degree, increasing. Angle 1 and angle 2. Isn't it? Can you see on screen? I am explaining very clearly. When one is decreasing, second one has to increase. But both sums should be remain as it is, supplementary 180 degree. Correct. Look at the 7th question. First one. No, because sum of two angles, acute angle is less than 180. Two acute angle. Acute angle means, student, less than 90 degree. So when we are taking a less than 90, suppose a 85 degree, 85 plus 85, 170 degree. Like that way also you can take the 89 degree. If it is a 90 degree, that's a right angle. So two acute angles always less than 180 degree. Second one. No, because sum of two obtuse angle is more than 180 degree. Two obtuse angle means more than 90 degree. 90 degree means, yes, 90 plus 90, 180. Already is there two right angles. 91 plus 91, two angles are there. That gives me a 182, which is a more than 180. Yes, correct. Yes, because sum of two right angle is 180. 90 plus 90, which gives me a 180. Answer of 8th one. Complementary angle, let's suppose a x and y. Yes. Complementary sum is 90 degree. So x plus 9, y is equal to 90 degree. Here, one angle x is more than 45 degree. Given in the question. Correct. Now adding y to the both side. Plus y plus y. X plus y greater than 45. 45 plus y. Okay. Now what is there? X plus y already we defined here. 90 degree. So 90 is greater than 45 plus y. 45 will come on the left side. So 90 minus 45 greater than y. So here y is less than 45 degree. Thus the complementary angle is less than 45. If one is 45, second one more than 45, x one angle, second angle is less than 45. Isn't it clear? So up to 8 question, I think so. There is no doubt for any questions. Look at here, question number 9, and answers are here. See the student, questions are given in textbook and we already seen previously. Do you want to see the questions? Let's check. Question number 9 is here. Student, see. In the adjoining figure, means here is the figure is given. Can you see here figure, students? This is adjoining, means nearby it is given. Correct. Okay. Now look at here. Angle 1 adjacent to angle 2. Angle 1 or angle 2 दोनों adjacent है, बाजू बाजू में है. Yes, correct. Yes, they are in nearby only. Second, is angle AOC adjacent to AOE? Oh, very nice. Can you understand what they ask us? Second question. AOC, one angle is there. It's the adjacent of AOE. वो तो अंदर है, बाजू में थोड़ा है. पहले में क्या क्वेश्चन था बेटा? Yes, angle 1 and angle 2. These both angles are nearby only. One arm is common. Yes, correct. Here one arm was common. Like that way questions were there and we can find out. The question 10 also is there, including indicate which pair of the angles are vertically opposite in a linear pair. Student, opposite angle, vertically opposite angles, I was just to say. See, vertically opposite means इसके सामने वाला कौन है? ये है. और इसके सामने वाला कौन है बेटा? बड़ा वाला ये है कि नहीं? Is it it? So vertically opposite, सामने सामने कौन है? ये दोनों का साथ में है. Is it? Clear? Very good. Linear pair. Yes, linear pair means a 180 degree and one arm is common. Supplementary angle like that way. Yes, supplementary angle like that way. Two were there. Two pairs where you can find out. See. Next question is here. Z is given. X is given. Then more pictures. 13 and 14 questions are very easily. So we were discussing of question number 9. Answers are there. So पहले में हमने बताया था Yes, they are there. No, they are not a common. No common arms on opposite side of the common air. Yes, they are from linear pair. Fourth one. Yes, they are a supplement. Supplements means 180 degree. Fifth one. Yes, they are a vertically opposite. Just now I said vertically opposite angle. You have to show it like this way. Suppose you can make it like this way. So this angle and this angle are vertically opposite. एक दूसरे के सामने है. Isn't it? Or this angle, big wala, and this angle is also vertically opposite angle. Isn't it? So be careful. What is the degree, or you can find out what is the size of the angle. You can find out here this much. Whatever the this much here, exactly opposite direction. Isn't it? Correct. And linear pair, student. Linear pair is nothing but you can draw it and take it one angle, here one angle, and these are the linear pair. Linear pair means 180 degree and one arm is common. This is the common arm. Isn't it? Suppose you are taking like this way one angle and this angle. These two both are angle 90 degrees and 90 degrees. This is both are not a linear pair. Separately, both arms should be separated in other direction and one arm is the common. Correct. Vertically opposite angles are phi is a COB. Next one, vertically opposite angle are 10th one, 1 and 4, phi 2 plus 3. Just now I said, I already explained 2 plus 3 को प्लस करके दिया उसके सामने phi है. इसके लिए लीनियर पेयर के बारे में बताया तो 1 and phi है and phi and 4 है. I already explained 2 pair will be there. Look at the question number 11. Do you want to see vertically opposite angle once again on the 10th questions? No problem. I will take out the questions. 10th one is here. See. Don't worry. 10th one. See. I said already this is the 5th angle, pi number, and opposite direction is 2 plus 3. दोनों को plus करेंगे तभी बनेगा. Isn't it? और one pair कौन है? 1 and 4. So 2 pair of linear given. Or you can find out. See. Straight angles. इसमें से ये एक बना बेटा, एक और 5 और 4 और 5 बना. दूसरा है 1 and 2, 3. Vertically opposite and linear pair. These both terms you are now clear. Look about the next one, question number 11. Z. See student, 1 and 2 only angles are given. In the following figure, angle 1 adjacent to angle 2, give reason why or why not. दोनों के बीच एक आर्म कॉमन है और दोनों का सम करेंगे बेटा तो कितना मिलेंगे देखते हैं. Very good question, very good question. So many students still now has the problem to understand these things in the SSC also. 12th one is here. 11, sorry. Angle 1 and angle 2 are not adjacent angle because their vertex is not common. Once again, arm is common but vertex should be common. आर्म तो कॉमन होगा लेकिन उसका जो वर्टेक्स है पॉइंट है वो कॉमन होना चाहिए. Isn't it? That's why in Z this is not common. This arm is common but his vertex is here different. Angle 1 and angle 2. Whenever the vertex is also common, student, here vertex is this one, point. Good. Question number 12, x is equal to 55 is given, vertically opposite angle. Now we have to find out 55 plus y, that is equal to 180 degree because it's a linear pair. Linear pair का total sum कितना होता है students? 180 degree. So we can minus it 55 from 180 degree, which gives me a 125 degree. Students, I am not doing now this sum, simple subtraction. 180 minus 55. My students will not do. Is it easy or hard? Yes, correct. Very easy. And you can find out and to try it. And second thing, I already said how to check out your answers. Whatever you got the answer, add with the 55, 125 plus 55 will give you a 180. Then and then your answer is correct. Good. Second one, 40 degree plus x plus 25 degree, which gives me 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 65, which gives me 115. In bracket, what is written? Please try to write down. Now, you have to find out y also. 40 plus y is equal to 180. Same way, y is equal to 140. So y plus z is equal to 180 already is there. Y's value is 140. Add this value to the y place. Z is equal to 180 minus 140, which gives me a 40 degree. So here x is equal to 115, y is equal to 140, and z is equal to 40 degree. Now your favorite, fill in the blanks. 90 degree, 180 degree, supplementary linear pair, equal and obtuse angle. Yes, you want to see the questions. Very good, very good. See, the questions are here. See the questions, your favorite questions. That's why I'm showing you. If two angles are complementary, then the sum of their measures is कितना होना चाहिए complementary में? 90. If two angles are supplementary, then the sum of their measures is 180 degree. Correct. Two angles forming a linear pair are, yes, 180 degree. Correct. If two adjacent angles are supplementary, they form a linear pair. Correct. If two lines intersect a point, दो लाइन कहीं पे भी एक जगह पे काटती है. I am taking my two pens. You are having, yes, my two pens. Two lines are intersecting on one particular point here. Correct? Yes. Then the vertically opposite angle are always equal. Equal ही होगा बेटा. कहीं से भी काट लो. देखो, इधर ऐसा बनाया एंगल, बड़ा किया, छोटा किया, तो सामने वाला नीचे वाला भी छोटा होता है. बराबर है? ऊपर वाला छोटा है तो नीचे वाला भी छोटा होता है. Yes. One is increasing, second is decreasing. If two lines intersect at a point and if one pair of vertically opposite angles are acute angle, then the other pair of the vertically opposite angles are obtuse. Very simple. Last but not least of these questions, in the adjoining figure, name the following pair of angles. चलो बताओ बेटा. AOE, AOD, EOD, DOC, COB, BOA. So many angles are there. Adjacent angle we have to find out. Complementary angle होना चाहिए. 90 डिग्री बनना चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स. कहाँ पे 90 डिग्री बनता है? तो यहाँ पे एक ही एंगल बनेगा 90 डिग्री वाला. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री की बात कर रहा बेटा. ये वाला एंगल बनेगा जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री रहेगा. बराबर है कि नहीं बराबर है? EOB बराबर है? 90 डिग्री है. यस. EOA and AOB, these are also a complementary angle. सेम वे सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल कहाँ पे बनेगा? दो तीन जगह पे बनेगा. बराबर है? इक्वल सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल दोनों जगह पे इक्वल होना चाहिए. तो देखिए EOB और EOD अनइक्वल. अनइक्वल में देखेंगे बेटा सप्लीमेंट्री तो DOC and COB. Adjacent angles that do not have a linear pair. Adjacent angle होना चाहिए, linear pair नहीं होना चाहिए. तो आपके पास आंसर है. बराबर है? तो देखते हैं उसका आंसर एक बार. Then after we will move for the next exercise. See the 14th question. First one, obtuse vertically opposite angles means greater than 90 degree. That means AOD and BOC. Just now I already explained. Adjacent angles means angles have common vertex, common arm. Non-common arm are not either side of common arm, and sum of angle is 90 degree. Complementary 90 degree. That's why supplementary 180 degree. Same answer. Fourth one, unequal supplementary angle means sum of angle is 180 and supplementary angles are unequals. AOE and EOC I already said, three pairs are there. Last but not least of this exercise, adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair means angles have common ray, but the angles in a linear pair are not supplementary. Supplementary नहीं होना चाहिए, बाजू बाजू में होना चाहिए. AOB and AOE, yes, correct. AOE and EOD, correct. EOD and COD. Here we completed our exercise 5.1 of 7 standard. Exercise 5.1 is over. Now we are moving for exercise 5.2 of 7 standard. Mathematics. Very good. Very nice. You are very fast. Here we can conclude our lesson also in time. 6 questions are there. We are moving very fast. Yes, here state the property that is used in each of the following statement. पहला वाला है, if A is parallel to B, then angle 1 and angle phi are equal. See, A is parallel to B. How to read out this one, student? A is parallel to B. Is it? This is the sign of parallel. दो खड़ी line. How to read it? Line A and line B are parallel है, दो line parallel है, उसमें से angle 1 and angle phi दोनों equal होना चाहिए, ऐसा बोल रहे हैं. देखते हैं angle 1 and phi कहाँ पे है. मेरा line A and B इधर है, ये A हुआ, ये B हुआ, बराबर है, दोनों parallel है. That means straight line जा रहा है, दोनों के बीच gap same है. Angle 1 and angle phi ये दोनों angle same है या नहीं है. पैरेलल लाइन के लिए कंपलसरी है यस यस एंड यस. करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल. सेकंड 4 एंड 6 के बारे में बताया बेटा. 4 एंड 6, 4 इधर एंड 6 ऊपर है, तो देखते क्या होता है. देन ए एंड बी आर द पैरेलल. थर्ड 4 प्लस 5, 4 एंड 5 का प्लस किया तो 180 होता है, और प्लस 180 देन ए एंड बी आर द पैरेलल. एक चेक करना है, बराबर है. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, थर्ड, फोर्थ वी कैन डू one by one and try to complete our today's exercise. See the answer 1. A and B is given, angle 1 and angle phi are equal. That's a corresponding angle. I use that word. Is it or not? Yes. ऊपर और नीचे वाला एंगल उसको corresponding बोलते हैं. Z फिगर बनता है. Yes. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal means cutting line. Other one. Each pair of corresponding angles are equal in measure. Is it? Second one. 4 and 6 are equal. Then A and B are parallel. They are the alternate angle. एक ऊपर वाला एक नीचे वाला. 4 and 6 सामने से देखते तो एक इधर आया, एक इधर आया. When a transversal cut two lines such that the pair of alternate interior angles are equal, the lines have to the parallel. 4 plus 5 is equal to 180. Then only A and B are the parallel. When a transversal cut two lines such that pair of interior angles on the same side, एक साइड की बात कर रहे हैं बेटा. सेम साइड की आपको पता है, ये दो लाइन जा रही है, उसको काटते हैं, ये और ये सेम साइड हुई, एक साइड पे हुई है, लेफ्ट साइड हुई या राइट साइड हुई. ओके बेटा, करेक्ट. The pair of corresponding angle are 1, 5, 2, 6, 4, 8, 3, 7. 4 pair you can get. And alternate angle 2 pairs, 3, 5 and 2, 6, 2, 8. Third one. The pair of the interior angles of the same side of the transversal. Same side means this side. 3 and 8 and 2 and 5. Fourth. The vertically opposite angles are, yes, vertically opposite angle. You are very, very clever now about this one. Vertically opposite angles, two lines are there. One line is cutting. You are saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it like this way you are giving? So, 1 के सामने कौन आ गया बेटा? 3 आ गया. Okay? ऐसे 2 के सामने कौन आ गया बेटा? 4 आ गया. 5 के सामने कौन है बेटा? 7 है. और 6 के सामने कौन है बेटा? 8. तो ये मैंने इधर लिखा हुआ है, देखो. Is it clear? Yes, very nice. Third answer is here. P is parallel to Q and cut by a transversal line. कोई भी लाइन से खड़ी है तो some students are still now thinking this is only transversal. Students, don't worry. Suppose these lines are like this way parallel and cutting line is this way. This is also a transversal. This is line A and this is line B and this is line M. Transversal line M is here. Same way A is here, B is here and M is on vertical stage. So don't think this is the, yes, some students still now having these types of phenomena. ऐसे है तो ये parallel है, खड़ी है तो parallel नहीं है. So clear your doubts. Okay. Here 125 degree plus E is equal to 180 degree. तो E का मतलब हो गया 55 because it's a linear pair. And E is equal to Fy, vertically opposite. A is equal to F, alternate angle, correct. A plus B, that is a linear pair once again. And from question 1, we can find out 55 plus B is equal to 180. So B value also there. Here we found here A, B, C, D, E, F. All angles are here with us. Can you see beta clearly? Yes. Shall we move for question number 4? इधर क्या दिया बेटा 4 में देख लो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में 3 क्वेश्चन दिए 1 2 3. L and M and T is the transversal. Same way here. And third, 2 lines are cutting and we have to find out the value of X. Easy है बेटा, सब जगह से इजी है. देखते हैं. पहले तो L and M है, T ट्रांसवर्सल, इंटीरियर है, वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल बिटवीन लाइन L and M, सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल बन गया बेटा 180 डिग्री. उसमें से 110 is given already. So X is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree, that is gives me a 70 degree. Second one, T is transversal, X plus 2X double time, 2X is equal to 180. Interior opposite angles. अंदर की साइड की बात कर रहे हैं बेटा. Yes, 3x is equal to 180, तो x is equal to 180 divided by 3, which gives me a 60 degree. Correct? Yes. Look at the here, last one, third one, L and M, x is equal to 100 degree. कैसे मिल गया बेटा? Corresponding angle से. So corresponding, alternate and vertically opposite. 3 words you have to clear in this standard and this lesson. Before there, complementary, supplementary and linear. 3, 3, 6. बात खत्म. Fifth one, AB and D are parallel. BC is a transversal and ABC 70 degree is given. तो corresponding कितना होगा? ABC is equal to GC. DCC कितना हो गया बेटा? करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल कैसा रहता है? इक्वल रहता है. वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट इक्वल रहता है. सेकंड, BC and EF are the parallel and D is the transversal line. DCG is equal to 70 degree. So DCG is equal to DEF, corresponding once again. So DEF is equal to 70 degree. Is it? Last but not least, last वाला क्वेश्चन है. देख लो एक बार. 3 क्वेश्चन है, तीनों का मैं इधर आंसर 4 है. चारों 4 का आंसर आपके सामने रखता हूं, बाद में हम क्वेश्चन पे जाएंगे. आराम से देख लो. दोनों का प्लस किया 170 हुआ, दोनों का प्लस किया 150 हुआ, दोनों का प्लस किया 180 हुआ, दोनों का प्लस किया 170 हुआ. तो इसमें से एक ही बार 180 होता है. तो L is a parallel to M due to the supplementary angle property of parallel line. Here L is not parallel, M is not parallel, because 3 times supplementary angles 180 cannot possible. ये चारों में देखिए बेटा. Is it? 75 plus 75, 125 plus 44, yes, 57 and 123 दोनों का प्लस किया बेटा. 4 angles. You can sum it. You can find out only one time. Third options having the 180, rest of not having any 180. Clear? L and M, and N is the transversal. You can find from the picture also. Where do you find that 2 lines are parallel? Exactly. First में दिखाई देता है बेटा, थोड़ा सा स्लाइट है. But third में exactly you can find L and M are parallel. Parallel का मतलब आपको समझ में आ गया. The distance between anywhere, यहाँ से यहाँ कितना भी डिस्टेंस इतना इधर ही रहना चाहिए. इधर देखो थोड़ा ज्यादा डिस्टेंस है, इधर कम है. इधर तो आपको दिखाई देता है, इधर ज्यादा है, इधर कम है. इधर ज्यादा है, इधर कम है. So from the picture also you can say these are the not parallel lines. And through the addition of both the angles, you can find out which are the parallel. Yes or no? Yes, correct. See the once again answer. First में कितना मिला बेटा? L is not parallel to M because sum of the interior opposite angles should be 180 डिग्री होना चाहिए. नहीं है तो इसके लिए नहीं है. बराबर है? दिखाई देता है बराबर क्लियरली। सेकंड में देखो बेटा 75 plus 75 150 because sum of angle does not obey the property of the parallel lines. थर्ड में देखो yes due to the supplementary angles property of parallel lines is 180 degree. Last but not least 98 plus 72 which gives me a 170 degree. L is not parallel to M because sum of angles does not obey the property of parallel line. Yes or no? Yes. So here we conclude our lesson and exercises. We will meet in next session with new lessons. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Once again, thank you. Be safe. Stay at home.